So in the final subtask of the URL Shortener project, we are going to be retrieving the URL, that is the original URL, based on the shortened URL. So in this task, we have to complete the retrieve URL function. Basically, we are going to take short URL as an input and look that up in the data dictionary. And if it exists, we're going to display the long URL, or else we're going to tell short URL not found. So in the previous subtask, we have been through these parts. Now let's look at the retrieve URL function. So in this retrieve URL function, first what we will be doing is we will take the short URL as an input over here and strip it of all white spaces using this function. And then we're going to directly look up in the data dictionary if the long URL exists. So over here in data.get short URL, it's going to take the key value as an input. So over here, short URL is the key value. And then it will look whether as to this exists in the data dictionary. If it exists, that is basically if long URL exists, then we're going to print out the long URL. Here f is given so that whatever is present in the curly braces, the actual value will be printed out. Or else we should print out short URL not found, because if the long URL does not exist, that is we are not able to get it by giving it to the data dictionary, then we should print out short URL not found. And then we have the user choice function. And now in the main function, it is same as the previous subtask. Basically, we ask the user for what kind of operation they want to perform. And then we're going to take choice as an input and remove it of white spaces, pass it on to this function, and over here it's going to get redirected to different functions. And at last, if choice is 3, we are going to exit out of the loop and terminate the function. So let's just run this code once and see how it works. So let's say I shorten URL first. And then let's say copy this and then ask to retrieve a short URL. So yeah, you can see I've gotten the original URL back. And let's exit this. So yeah, our program is working properly. Let's just submit this and see if all the test cases are passed. So yeah, I can see both test cases have been passed. So yeah, we have completed our project URL Shortener. So basically this project is part of our course Python Projects for Beginners, where we have 11 different projects so that beginners can get familiar with Python. So yeah, if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef and try out this problem yourself, or try out our other courses which might interest you. And if you're already on CodeChef, good job looking into the solution. Head on to the next task. Thank you.